everyone, I wanted to give an honest review about this dog car seat cover, and I just wanted to kind of show you some of the things I like. But first off, this is the packaging that it comes in, which is really nice. It has handles and there's a zipper on top, so if you ever need to stow it away, then it's easy to put it back in here, and I just think it's a nice presentation whenever you take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like once you unzip it out of the bag, and it also comes with these straps, which I'll go into more detail, but it comes with two you can hang up, and then I love that it came with two that you can buckle in case you have two dogs. Here I am setting it up. It's super easy to assemble in your car. Alright, now that I have the dog car seat cover assembled, I want to go ahead and show you some features that I love about it. First thing is that it has such a sleek design, and then these flaps you can either fold down or you can have them up with some straps, and you can zip it up on the sides. I like that there's some storage pockets and they're Velcro. If you want to secure them, you can put a leash, whatever you need in here. Then there's this mesh in the front, which is great for air circulation and visibility. And then the bottom you can see is a sturdy bottom. Then you'll clip these straps to the back of the headrest for assembly. For the sides, you'll have this zipper you can zip up and this little clip for security, and that's how that will go. Now there's this buckle where you can hook onto your dog's collar for extra security, and all the straps that it comes with are adjustable, which is great if you have different kinds of cars you're using it for. And it also can do the same thing on this side, so that it has the loop and it kind of creates a hammock for your dog. One other thing to note is there's this zipper along the front where you can take off the material and actually wash it, so that's really nice to have that feature as well. Now here's my dog jumping up because he's confident in the extender, and you can see this is how he normally sits whenever we're driving in it, and he's very comfortable, lots of room and space, and then he also is comfortable with laying down. So overall, I would highly recommend getting this. It's definitely high quality and worth it.